Hi scientists, this week we're learning all about light and I chose a book called Light by Cody Crane to read to you today. This book is full of questions, so I will ask those questions and I'll pause and give you a chance to think about it and answer them. You might even come up with some of your own science questions. Chapter 1, Let It Shine. Light allows you to see the world around you. These kids would not be able to read their books without light. I'm using the light from the sun to read this book to you right now. The sun gives off a lot of light. It makes Earth bright during the day. How can the sun's bright light affect your skin in summer? Has anything ever happened to your skin in the summertime? I know my skin can get burnt. Sunlight warms Earth's surface and makes life possible. Plants like these sunflowers need light to grow. Without the sun, we wouldn't have any plants. Why do you think these sunflowers are called sunflowers? One of my sons said he thought that they looked like suns. Something I know about sunflowers is they turn toward the light. Chapter 2, Seeing in the Dark. It gets dark when the sun sets. You need another type of light to be able to see. What types of light can help you see at night? Can you think of anything in your house that helps you see at night? People switch on light bulbs when they need extra light. The light bulbs run on electricity. Electricity powers light bulbs so they glow. Where might you find electric lights? In another activity this week, you're going to go on a scavenger hunt in your house and look for things that make light in your house. Think about what things might you be able to find. People at a festival send paper lanterns into the air. A flame from a candle causes the lanterns to glow. Things that are really hot, like fire, give off a lot of light. What other hot things like these lanterns give off light? Can you think of some other things? Chapter 3, On the Move. Light can move from place to place. The sun is very far away. Its light must travel millions of miles to reach Earth, our planet. Would light and heat from the sun take longer to reach planets beyond Earth? We studied space earlier this year and we know that light had to travel at the speed of light from the sun to the Earth. Do you think it's going to take longer to get to these planets out here? I think so. Light moves in a straight line. Try shining a flashlight at something. A spot of light will appear straight ahead. What would happen if you moved your hand in front of a flashlight's beam? That's an activity you can do at home. Give it a try. Some things block light. A shadow forms on the other side of the object. That is an area where light cannot reach. Look at these shadows. What's interesting about the zebra shadow? What do you notice? Later, we're going to get to do an activity of making shadows. Chapter 4, Bending Light. Light can reflect off some things. It bounces off shiny surfaces. That is why you can see your reflection in a mirror. Where else could this duckling see its reflection? Where else might there be a reflection? Maybe in the water? Light bends as it passes through some objects. A glass filled with water bends light. That is why the straw looks crooked when seen above and below the water. Have you ever seen this happen? You can try this at home. Light looks white, but it is made up of many colors. Light splits into separate colors when it passes through water drops. That makes a rainbow. When do you think you would see a rainbow in the sky? I know a lot of you have already gotten to make some rainbows at home. What else does light change the world around you? I wonder. Here's an activity, and I'll share something else in our science activities page. You're going to get to make shadows. I'll share the same activity in another page. Scientists, thanks for reading about light with me. I hope you enjoyed it.